I want to talk real quick about the benefit of using colored wax. Now, if I get interrupted in this video, it's because the neighborhood kids keep screaming at me. They think I'm a celebrity or something because I have this incredible car in my driveway. But I wanted to, I just polished it, and I was going to show you some of these products because I'm often asked how I get these old cars looking so great. So just a quick look. This is the original paint. This is an 03. You can see right here. That looks like oxidation. It's actually not. It's so humid. Just a minute. I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. Just 1 minute. So I'm famous. This looks like oxidation, but it's actually humidity because it's so hot here in Georgia. It's like 100 degrees and the humidity's super high. So, but the paint came out really great. Again, this is original paint on this car, and yeah, you can see that humidity starting. So I'll just draw a little smiley face here. But anyhow, you can just, I think you can tell from this angle here how good this paint came out. And I'll show you the process I use. So first thing I do is wash the car, obviously, and then colored waxes is what I was just kind of the point of this video. If you've never used them, I really encourage you to look into it. First thing I do is I wash the car. You know, I just use like Palmolive and cuts the grease, and then I'll do a clay bar and get yourself a clay bar, and it takes all the contaminants off, and you'll use that in conjunction with a product like this, a quick detailer. And you'll clay bar the car, and then you'll dry it really, really well. And then once you do that, you can apply. These are 4 different colors I have, just because these are 4 different colors of car I've had and still have a few of these. And you know, there's all these different types. There's Turtle Wax, Color Magic. I get these on Amazon. This is As Seen on TV, color treatment, the red, and then Color Magic Ultra Blue. And then this is a ceramic hybrid black product. And so any of these, you know, obviously you want to just get whatever's closest to your car. So for me, this was the one here. That's what I used on blue over there. And then, and basically you wax the car. I wax it on by hand with a microfiber towel, and you know, it's blue wax. So it actually, that right there is 1/4 of wax I just spent to show you in this video. It's beautiful stuff. And it goes on the car. And it's blue, and then it comes off the car. You'll microfiber it on, and then to take it off, what I've found a good technique is I will use a random orbital. This is the Genor. I featured this elsewhere on my channel. There's the model. I bought this 4 or 5 years ago on Amazon. It was about $70. I think it's probably more now. You want to get an assortment of pads. I'll start with this traditional normal foam pad. And so I'll put it on by hand with a microfiber, and then I'll buff it with this, and then I'll take a second microfiber, a clean one, and I will buff it off, and that leaves it mostly gone. And then I'll always go back over it with one of these wool pads with the random orbital. There's another one just to show you what they look like. So I'll go back with the random orbital, and I'll use the wool pad just to do a final buffing of it. And this took me start to finish about 1.5 hours. This is a very small car. And yeah, you can already see the humidity here. It's so humid here. That is not oxidized paint. You can see right here too. There's my smiley face. But you get the idea. The blue really helps the car. It really helps the paint. So, and what that color wax does, it's not permanent, but it really helps fill in a lot of these little dings here. You can see these little things. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but there is a blue tint to these now, like that one right there over my finger. So before it was white because it had gotten all the way through. And so the blue just, it kind of fills it in, and it lasts a month or two. And then you gotta maybe do it again. But you know, temporarily it fills them in, but more than that, it does polish the car. And it also is really good with swirl marks. So if you have swirl marks in the paint, it fills those in really, really great. And I'll put this on the car maybe twice a year, and it holds up, and it always looks great. So, and it lasts, several washes. So yeah, the color wash paint, the color wax, excuse me, rather. It's just a great product. I've used it for many years on many cars, and highly recommend it. And just thought I'd share that little tip because I just finished this car and it just came out beautiful once again. So there she is. And yeah, colored wax. Leave your thoughts if you have them, and hope this finds you well. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless you.